Ever find yourself staring at your phone, meticulously tracking every penny, only to wish you could do it all on your laptop's bigger screen? You're not alone. Today, we're diving deep into whether you can truly embrace the power of PocketGuard on your computer. Imagine analyzing your spending habits with a comfortable keyboard and mouse, effortlessly categorizing transactions, and creating budgets that actually stick. Sounds dreamy, right? But can this financial freedom on a larger screen become a reality? Let's find out. Now, the million-dollar question: can you use PocketGuard on your computer? The short answer is yes, but with a few caveats. While PocketGuard doesn't have a dedicated desktop app, you can access its core functionality through your web browser. This means you can log into your PocketGuard account on any computer and enjoy features like viewing your budget, track your spending progress, see where your money is going, and stay on top of your financial goals. Checking your account balances, monitor your bank accounts, credit cards, and investment accounts all in one place. Analyzing spending trends, gain valuable insights into your spending habits with easy-to-read charts and graphs. Setting and adjusting budget goals, create and modify budgets effortlessly, ensuring you stay on track with your financial targets. However, there are some limitations to using PocketGuard solely through a web browser. Limited offline access: you'll need an internet connection to access your account and its features. Reduced notifications: while you might receive some notifications, the browser experience may not be as robust as the mobile app in terms of real-time alerts. Potential performance issues: depending on your internet speed and browser, you might experience occasional loading delays or minor performance hiccups. If you crave a more seamless desktop experience, consider these alternatives. Use the PocketGuard mobile app on your phone and connect it to your computer via a screen mirroring tool. This allows you to view and interact with the app on your computer's larger display. Explore browser extensions. Some browsers offer extensions that can enhance your PocketGuard experience, such as improving notifications or providing quicker access to your account. While a dedicated desktop app might be on your wish list, PocketGuard's web-based access provides a solid foundation for managing your finances on your computer. By understanding the limitations and exploring alternative solutions, you can find a workflow that best suits your needs and preferences. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.